Close your eyes and imagine this. You are standing on the edge of a skyscraper in New York City. You take a step off the ledge, but instead of falling, you soar. You are weaving through the steel canyons of Manhattan, diving under bridges, and skimming the surface of the Hudson River at 60 miles per hour. You aren't in a plane. You aren't in a helicopter. You are sitting on your couch in your living room, wearing a pair of goggles that have just deleted your physical reality and replaced it with the sky. This is the power of FPV, first-person view, and DJI just made it accessible to every single person in America. Welcome to the era of the DJI Goggles N3. For years, the world of FPV drones was like a secret society. You needed to know how to solder circuit boards, you needed to understand complex radio frequencies, and you needed a stomach of steel to handle the dizzying, low-resolution video feeds. But today, the barriers are gone. The DJI Goggles N3 isn't just another piece of tech. It is a democratization of flight. It is the bridge that allows a complete beginner to pick up a drone like the DJI Neo or the Avata 2 and instantly feel like a world-class pilot. But why is everyone talking about the N3 specifically? Why is the US drone community, from the hobbyists in California to the cinematic videographers in Atlanta, buzzing about a budget headset? It's because for $229, DJI didn't just give us a cheaper version of their flagship goggles. They gave us a device that, in some ways, is actually better for the average user than the $500 alternatives. Let's talk about the first thing you notice when you hold these: the design. If you've ever worn VR goggles or older FPV headsets, you know the struggle. They are front-heavy, they fog up within 5 minutes, and if you wear glasses, it's a nightmare of squishing your frames against your face. The Goggles N3 is the answer to all those prayers. DJI moved the battery to the back of the headband. It sounds simple, but it changes everything. The weight is balanced perfectly across your head. You don't feel that pull on your nose. You can wear these for a 2-hour session and forget they're even there. And for my fellow glasses wearers, listen closely. You don't need diopter adjustments. You don't need to buy expensive custom lens inserts. The interior of the N3 is so spacious that you just slide them on right over your existing glasses. No friction, no pressure. And that little fan inside, it's not just for cooling the processor. It's a one-tap defogging system. If you're flying in the humid heat of a Florida summer or the crisp morning air of the Rockies, your lenses will stay crystal clear. This is the ready-to-fly philosophy at its peak. But a headset is only as good as the screen inside. Let's look at the 1080p ultra-wide display. While the expensive Goggles 3 use OLED, the N3 uses a high-brightness LCD panel that is engineered for clarity. It gives you a 54-degree field of view. Now, some people might say, wait, shouldn't a bigger field of view be better? Not necessarily. In FPV, if the screen is too big, your eyes have to dance around to see the corners, which leads to motion sickness and fatigue. The N3 hits the sweet spot. It's immersive enough to make you feel like you're in the cockpit, but stable enough that you can fly for hours without feeling like you've been on a spinning carnival ride. Now, let's get into the magic of the transmission. If you're flying a drone through a forest or around a concrete building, the last thing you want is for your video to flicker or lag. That's how crashes happen.